I am passionate about helping people achieve their financial goals. Whether you are struggling with debt, want to learn how to invest, or simply want to manage your finances more effectively, this is the right place for you. Getting out of debt is not an easy task, but it is achievable with a plan of action and dedication. Here are 7 steps that can help you get out of debt and achieve financial stability. Make an inventory of your debts. It is important to have an overall view of all your debts, including the creditor's name, the outstanding balance, interest rates and due dates. This will help you stay motivated and measure your progress. Prioritize your debts. Start by paying off the debts with the highest interest rates first, as these are the ones causing the most financial harm. This will help you save money in the long run. Reduce expenses. Examine your expenses and see where you can cut costs to have more money to pay off your debts. Consider consolidating debt. If you have multiple debts with high interest rates, consider consolidating them into a single loan with a lower interest rate. This can help simplify the payment process and save money on interest. Ask for help. If you are having difficulty paying off your debts, do not hesitate to seek help from a debt specialist or a financial assistance organization. They can help you negotiate with creditors, obtain loans, and plan a budget. Adopt healthy financial habits. After paying off your debts, it is important to adopt healthy financial habits, such as saving money and avoiding new debts. This includes setting a budget, making investments, and planning for retirement. With healthy financial habits, you will be able to maintain financial stability in the long term. To conclude, I would like to remind you that getting out of debt and achieving financial stability is possible, but it requires planning, dedication and action. By following the 7 steps I shared in this video, you can start working today to transform your finances and achieve your goals. Remember that this journey can be challenging, but you are not alone. Thank you for watching, and until next time.